Let me ask you something. Have you ever asked AI a question and felt like it gave you exactly the answer you expected? Not because you checked it, but because it sounded right. In the last video, we talked about how the way you ask AI can completely change the answer. But here's what most people still don't realize. You might be guiding the answer without even noticing it. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. Let's start with something simple. If you ask, why is AI good for society, you'll get answers about benefits, innovation, progress. Now ask this, why is AI dangerous for humanity? Now suddenly you get risks, control, concerns. These are not the same question. One assumes AI is good, the other assumes AI is dangerous. So of course the answers are different. Because the direction was already decided. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people think they're just asking a question, but they're not. They're bringing something with them. Their opinion, their belief, their expectation. And that shapes the answer they get. Let me show you another example. Why are self-driving cars dangerous? You'll get negative points. Why are self-driving cars better than humans? You'll get positive points. But now ask this, what are the advantages and risks of self-driving cars? Now you get both sides, balanced, clear, useful. So what changed? Not the system, you changed the way you asked. This is called framing, and most people don't even realize they're doing it. But it doesn't stop there, there's another layer to this. Sometimes, people don't ask questions to learn something new. They ask questions to confirm what they already believe, and when they get an answer that matches, it feels like proof. But it's not always proof, sometimes it's just a reflection of the question. This is how confusion starts. Two people ask about the same topic, in two different ways, and both walk away thinking, I'm right. Not because the facts changed, but because the questions were different. And this is why understanding how you ask is just as important as what you ask. Now here's the practical part. If you want better answers from AI, you need to ask better questions. Instead of asking, why is this good or why is this bad, try asking, what are the impacts? What are the pros and cons? What should I consider? These types of questions don't push the answer in one direction. They give you something more useful, something more complete. And that's what you want, because AI is powerful, very powerful. But it doesn't decide the direction, you do. So next time you use AI, pause for a second and ask yourself, am I asking to understand something or am I asking to confirm something? That one question alone can completely change the answer you get. Because in this new world, it's not just about the answers, it's about the questions. Better questions lead to better answers. Stay informed, stay aware, stay ahead.